Stone, aka Joey Stone's back with another video. We outside on a new lawnmower, as you guys can see. So we got like a whole movie building. Shout out to Dirty Built for making this build. Check him out on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. He also has a 1000cc 55 horsepower mower that he uses to go rock climbing and hill climbs. I just got this off of him. Really nice dude. 5 out of 5. Amazing work. Thing's amazing. Runs good. It goes about 30 mile an hour. 6-gear trans, manual, I don't know how to say it. But it has a that 850 welded differential on it. Really nice build, like I just said. It gets up and goes. Has big neck motors on the back. Sorry if you guys can't hear me that well. I'm trying to rev up the motor because it's cold out. But we're gonna go for a little test drive for you guys. A little top speed and everything. I don't really have a gauge, so I don't really know how fast I am going. But we're gonna just go. We're gonna just wing it. So. Has a V-twin 27 horsepower cooler motor in it. He did the upgraded valves on it, a couple other stuff to it, custom front axle so it doesn't steer that easy, so I don't get speed wobbles while going 30 on this thing. But we're in 4th gear right now, and this is topped out 4th gear. Ready? I'm gonna shift it to 6. I'm gonna try it here. So let's try it. This is 5th. Yeah, it's called a Dynamark. That's what the name of the lawnmower is. It has the gas on the left and the clutch and the brake on the right. So it's a little bit different than all the other lawnmowers I've had. We're going to try to turn it around up here. We're going to turn it around. And then we're going to try 6 gear next time. It's really cold out. Alright, I'm pretty sure that this is 6. Fast as hell, dude. Sorry if my glove gets in the way, but shout out to Dirty Build again for this build. This thing's amazing, dude, if you're watching this video. here soon for Christmas. Gonna be making some more YouTube videos for you guys. Sorry I haven't posted in a little while. Been just trying to figure out good videos to come out to you guys. I haven't got the quad fixed yet, so I'm still trying to figure that out still. But yeah, so we're gonna try to get the quad fixed here soon. About the Z, kind of totaled it, wrecked into a deer, so that's a little out of the way at the moment. But hopefully we get a girl on here soon, or another Z. But more content coming soon. Sorry for not uploading again. Make sure you guys hit that like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you guys help out so I can make YouTube videos for you guys. And yeah, so just help out the channel, and I'll keep bringing some more YouTube videos for you guys. Shout out to Dirty Build again for this build, dude. It really is amazing, dude. I love this build that he did. He painted the frame and the hood and the fenders back here too. Really amazing. He has like ATV tires in the front. But yeah, so this is gonna conclude the YouTube video for you guys. But hope you guys stay safe, stay motivated, and just be yourself. So have a great one. Peace.